Well, hello there, winners. I'm going to do something really interesting today. We've all heard about artificial intelligence, and I'm sure we've read what it can do for businesses. What I'm planning to do today is to show you how you can practically use artificial intelligence to increase your sales. And I'm going to go live into the system to show you how you can target an industry. So it will be live. The information will go straight in. Anything can happen, but I hope you find this useful. So I'd like you to imagine that you work in banking as a sales or relationship manager, and you want to target the commercial real estate industry. Now, you could be a sales manager for any other service, and you could be targeting any other industry. But for the purpose of this, let's just pretend that you're a bank sales manager targeting commercial real estate. And obviously, as you know, I always say you must understand an industry before you sell to it. So let's ask ChatGPT, tell me more about the commercial real estate industry. Let's see what insights come back. Here we go. Key players, investors, developers, brokers, types of commercial properties, industrial facilities, market dynamics, investment and financing. That interests us as the bank sales or relationship manager. Remote work impact on office buildings. So you can see there with that one question, we're starting to really get in and understand the industry. Very useful. Let's now ask, who are the major players in the industry? So what we're asking here is who are the major players in the industry? Here we go. CBRE, JAL, Cushman and Wakefield, Colliers International, Newman Brookfield Asset Management, Blackstone Group. I'm sure you've all heard of some of these names in the industry as the major players. But we need to understand what kind of challenges that these companies are grappling with in their day-to-day business. So let's ask ChatGPT, what are the biggest challenges facing the industry? So we found out a little bit more about the industry we're targeting. We found out who the big global players are. What challenges are they facing? Here we go. Economic uncertainty, changing demographics and consumer behaviors, technology, sustainability, shifting workspace needs, working from home, property valuation in the current market. So we're now really starting to see what are the challenges that this industry and these major players are actually grappling with. But let's take it a level down. Let's find out, what are the biggest challenges the commercial real estate industry faces regarding their banking? I think here. So we've got their overarching challenges. We want to find out what challenges they have regarding their banking, access to financing, the tightening lending standards, interest rate fluctuations that we all know about, loan to value ratios, current valuations on the property for debt refinancing. So we're really starting to get into what are the specific challenges from a banking perspective. But this is the global situation. Let's pick a market now and find out who are the major commercial real estate companies in Australia. So you're a sales manager in Australia, and you're looking to find out who are some of the names that you could be targeting. Here we go: Dexus, Lendlease, Charter Hall, Mirvac, Stockland, Goodman Group. Now, I'm sure if you're in Australia or indeed in Asia, you've probably heard about some of these names. So we've got the major players in Australia now, and we've got an idea of what kind of challenges they're grappling with from a macro perspective, but also from a banking perspective. But let's zoom in a little bit here and ask the application to tell me about, let's pick GPT. Tell me about number 8. So GPT Group, prominent Australian commercial property, gives you an idea of what their portfolio is, their sustainability approach, tenant relationships, community engagement, corporate governance, and the fact it's recognised as one of the Australian leading companies. So we're finding out real details now very quickly, much faster than you would probably ever find on their promotional website, to find out about the business in detail. But obviously we're here to figure out how we can potentially pursue business and opportunity. So let's find out what departments are involved in influencing the decision of buying banking services in the commercial real estate industry. So we really want to find out who's making the decision, who's involved in making the decision regarding banking services regarding a commercial real estate company. Here we go, let's see. The finance department, obviously. Treasury department relating to liquidity. Operations department regarding how the flows work. Strategic planning. So you can see here now, we're finding out if we were to be handling a complex long sales cycle, who is likely to be in the decision panel at the target client. It will involve multiple people. And as we well know, decisions now involve many more departments, many more people. And here you can see which people are involved regarding the decision of banking services. But we need to get an idea of, well, what kind of problems are they grappling with? So let's ask, what are the pain points for each of these departments in relation to banking? Okay, the different departments. What are their departmental challenges? Finance department, access to funding, treasury, limited visibility, legal and compliance, complex, intricate agreements, risk management, compliance, strategic planning and development, complexity in managing multiple banking relationships, difficulty in accessing the overall value and ROI of banking services. So we can now see what the challenges are for each of those departments in dealing with a prospective banking provider. I want to go a little bit deeper now and find out more about these decision makers. So let's give 3 titles of decision makers in each of these departments. And we want to know who we should be focusing on within these departments. Here we go. Finance department, the CFO, the finance manager, the treasury department, the treasurer, the legal and compliance general counsel. So we now have some actual titles of the people that are involved in this key decision regarding provision of banking services. But we're really going to get smart now. we're going to ask ChatGPT to act as if you are the treasury manager at a commercial real estate company. So we're asking the application to actually act as if it is the treasury manager. What are the challenges? What are the challenges and concerns you have regarding your banking? So we're actually asking this application as if it was a treasury manager with the challenges that we know about. What are the specific concerns regarding their banking? Treasury manager is concerned about cash management optimization, counterparty risk, banking fees and charges, operational integration, regulatory compliance. So you can see here we're getting fantastic insights, relationship management, developing, maintaining positive relationships that add value. Amazing insights here very quickly on what is important to a treasury manager. But as we know, nothing happens until you have a meeting. So I am going to ask the application now to write a script for a bank sales manager to contact a commercial real estate company using the numbers above. What we're doing here, we're asking the application based on those critical factors that are important to a treasury manager. How could you create a script of how I could contact that treasury manager to open an opportunity showing insights and value? Here we go. Hello. Thanks for the treasury manager. How can I assist you? It's actually going through the flow now of how you could approach a treasury manager with insights to look to lock in a meeting. And as you can see here, we've been able to lock in a meeting to meet a treasury manager regarding these opportunities. So I hope you found this useful. This is ChatGPT and how you can use it to generate opportunities and to help you win big transactions faster. So I hope you found it useful. As always, if you need any help to win big transactions faster, just drop me a line and I'll do whatever I can to help you.